Who won FIFA World Cup? Who is billionaire? Who owns private jet? Who owns Lamborghini? Who's retired from football? Who owns a Bugatti? Who is Christian? Who won Ballon d'Or? Who have YouTube Diamond button?